Hi, in today's video, I will show you on how to turn MP4 to GIF using BCut. BCut is a video maker that contains of different aspect video ratios such as 4:3, 1:1, and 19:6. Also, this tool can consist of several editing features to use such as streaming, cropping, zooming, and more. Now, let me show you on how to turn your MP4 into GIF. Launch the program on your computer and then choose your desired aspect ratio. Click Import to import an MP4 file from your PC. Next, drag the file into the timeline, then edit it according to your choice. You can add text, filters, overlays, and elements on your video. Once done, click Export, then select GIF format to convert your MP4 into GIF. And that is how you turn your MP4 into GIF using BCut. Thank you for watching!